encryption is super critical. So can you talk about its importance to the healthcare industry?
Sure. So, I mean, when we talk about healthcare, we're obviously talking about everybody's health information and what that entails. I think that encryption is key, specifically in healthcare, obviously financials and some other organizations. But within healthcare, I mean, this is people's lives, if you would, that we're talking about. It's not just protecting and safeguarding people's own information. It's also safeguarding the other things that the healthcare industry is working on. For example, if we're doing clinical trials, we want to make sure that that information is secure, not only from somebody reading it, but from somebody potentially altering it. So I think that encryption is going to allow us to have that kind of safety key, if you would, to ensure that the information is not just unread and encrypted, but is also untouched and the same as it was when it was created.
Right. And, just given all the privacy regulations, how do you think healthcare establishments can safeguard their data?
That's a great question. I think that, if we look at regulations and if we look at healthcare regulations specifically, we actually have a little bit of a change. There's a lot of more regulation that's being introduced around privacy, actually. And while it's not specific to healthcare, it does definitely touch the healthcare industry. Being able to secure your information isn't just about checking the box and making sure that I meet the requirement. It's really about understanding that the information itself is secure. It might be enough to check the box, but sometimes you just need that extra step to ensure that your patients, your information, your clinical trials, whatever it is secure, safe, and untouched.
Right. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely.